Hello everybody, how are you today? Well, let's start it with teacher Jack again. And today, we are going to revise from number 1 to number 9. Again, if you are ready to study, please say yes. First of all, I want all of you to open the orange book to page 27. Please open the orange book to page 27. Today, we are going to revise from number 1 to number 9. If you are ready to study, please say yes. Okay, let's start. So please take a look at this presentation. Let's revise. Number 1, count and write. So you need to take a look at the picture and then you need to count the number of the picture. Finally, you just write the number. So please take a look at the first picture. You can see that there are a few kites. I want to ask you some question. How many kites are there? How many kites are there? So we need to count the number of the kites. 1, 2, 3. Again, please. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is there are 3 kites. So we need to write number 3 in the circle. Next, please take a look at the right side. I want to ask you some question. How many ice creams are there? How many ice creams are there? So we need to count the number of the ice cream. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is there are 7 ice creams. So we need to write number 7 in the circle like this. Next, you can see that there are many envelopes. There are many envelopes. So I want to ask you some question. How many envelopes are there? How many envelopes are there? So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is there are 8 envelopes. So we need to write 8 in the circle. Next, please take a look at the right side. You can see that there are many shuttlecocks. These ones are called shuttlecocks. When you want to play badminton, so you need to have the racket and the shuttlecocks so you can play badminton. So these ones are called shuttlecocks, and you can see that there are many shuttlecocks. So I want to ask you some question. How many shuttlecocks are there? So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is there are 5 shuttlecocks. So we need to write number 5 in the circle. Next, you can see that the picture of footballs. You can see that there are only 2 footballs, 1 and 2. So we need to write number 2 in the circle. And the last picture, you can see that there are many photos of temple. There are many photos of temples. So I want to ask you some questions. How many photos are there? How many photos are there? So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is there are 9 photos of temples. So we need to write number 9 in the circle. Next, after you finish doing the exercise from the orange book, I want all of you to open the red book. Please open the red book to page 27 as well. Please open the red book to page 27. We are going to do some more exercise about the revise from number 1 to number 9. So please take a look at the first exercise. Count and write the correct numbers. Count and write the correct numbers. So I want all of you to take a look over here, you can see that they have classified into 3 groups of pictures. Right, they have already classified 3 groups of pictures that are dragonfly, dragonflies. You can see that in the picture there are many dragonflies. The second one is flower, right? You can see in the picture that there are many flowers as well. And the last picture we call balloons. Balloons. You can see that the boy and the girl are holding a lot of balloons. So you need to count the number of the picture. So I want all of you to take a look at the first picture that is dragonfly. Yeah, this one is called a dragonfly. Now everybody, can you repeat with me? A dragonfly. A dragonfly. So you need to count the number of the dragonfly. How many dragonflies are there? How many dragonflies are there? So you need to count from the picture. The answer is there are 8 dragonflies. And the answer is there are 8 dragonflies. How about the flowers? How about the flowers? So you need to take a look at the pictures and then you need to count the number of the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So the answer is there are 6 flowers. The answer is there are 6 flowers. And how about the balloons? How about the balloons? So you need to count the picture of the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is there are 7 balloons. The answer is there are 7 balloons. So we can conclude that there are 8 dragonflies, 6 flowers, and 7 balloons. There are 8 dragonflies, 6 flowers, and 7 balloons. Okay, next exercise. Read the words and color the correct shapes. Read the words and color the correct shapes. So they want all of you to practice how to read the words that they have already given to you. And after that, you need to color. And you need to color the correct shapes that they have already given to you. Yeah, you can see the first one. They have already given you the word is circle. Which one is circle? This one or this one? The answer is the right one. The circle is this one. So you need to color. You need to use, maybe you can use red, white, or green to color on the circle. For example, now I need to draw, I need to color on the circle, but you need to color more beautiful than I do, everybody. You need to color, and you need to color the circle more beautifully than I do. Okay. So please take a look at the right side, triangle. Which one is triangle? Now, which one is triangle? Triangle is this picture, everybody. So you need to color very beautiful. And so you need to color. And you need to color the picture more beautifully than I do. Okay, so you need to color on the triangle. And this one we call square. Everybody, square. Can you repeat with me? Square. 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 So you need to draw, you need to color circle. Okay. So this is the end of my presentation. Hope you enjoy my presentation and hope to see you in the next lesson. And today, thank you so much for taking part in my presentation. The most importantly, you need to review the lesson again and again. Right now, we have already started from number 1 to number 9. So I believe that all of you can count the number from number 1 to number 9. And the most importantly, you also need to practice how to spell the number in words as well. And so English is not difficult, but you need to practice every day. Okay, everybody. So this is the end of my presentation and have a nice day. Bye bye.